Are your listings struggling to shine in today's competitive market? Let me introduce you to your new secret weapon, TidyTex Home Cleaning. As a veteran-owned cleaning service based in San Antonio, we specialize in transforming homes into irresistible showcases that buyers can't ignore. Imagine potential buyers stepping into a spotless space that feels like home. TidyTex offers reliable, professional cleaning that enhances property showings and improves sale outcomes. Our quick turnaround times mean we can have your properties sparkling before open houses or buyer visits. Realtors, here's a tidy tip. Before a showing, open all the blinds and turn on the lights. This simple trick brightens up the space, making it feel warm and inviting, which helps buyers visualize their future in the home. Our dedicated team pays special attention to every detail, ensuring every corner shines. Ready to elevate your listings and close deals faster? Check the video description for our contact information and reach out today. Visit us at app.tidytex.us or call us at 210-951-8206. Don't miss out on the advantage TidyTex can give you.